Hi guys, I've been away for like a year and I've not made content here on YouTube and there's been a lot of things that I've been working on and I've grown over the last few, maybe the last 1 year, right? The last 5 days. I've not made content, I've not posted. But right now I'm coming back to YouTube and I'm coming back making videos on marketing, making videos on Facebook ad, on paid media, making videos that I enjoy and also I'm also going to be documenting things that I do. I'm going to be posting them. I'm going to be very consistent now. I promise to be very consistent. And over the next 6 months, I'm going to publish a lot of content and you're going to see a lot of videos from me. I want you guys to come with me as we unwind this new season, this new this new period. I mean, on the 12th of June, it's going to be my birthday. And I'm so happy, I'm so excited about it. And I made a promise to myself that I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna make content, I'm gonna do stuff that I enjoy doing, which is making video, writing, and I promise to very consistent at it. And my Substack is going to go live again. I'm going to write it on Medium, and I'm going to make a lot of videos here, posting, sharing a lot of things that I'm working on. And I want you guys to come along with me. And I'm employing that you subscribe. I'm going to post my first video the first week of June, and subsequently we'll see a lot of videos from there. But for now, I think I'll be doing like 3 videos a week. I'll see how consistent I can be, but at least just expect at least a video from me every week. I'm going to be very consistent to that. I'm going to see how we can go over the next half of the year. Thank you guys and Happy New Year. This meeting, Happy New Year. For the first time in 2026, Happy New Year. I'm going to see you guys in my first video. Just make sure you are there. Bye.